This is a zucchini tuna pasta, and these are the ingredients: a little bit of coconut oil and chopped red bell pepper. I'm using the temperature 8 out of 15, so let's say like medium heat. Leave the red bell pepper for a few minutes, then reduce the temperature and add the zucchini that they are already shredded. Stir all the ingredients up and leave them cooking just for a few minutes. This is a very quick recipe, so maybe after 5 minutes it will be done. Add the sun-dried tomatoes and some olive. My favorite one for this recipe are the black olive or the Kalamata ones, but I don't have it, so I cook with the ingredients that I already have. Add then some bean sprouts and also different type of herbs. I'm using the herbs, the Providence. They are really good and they have oregano that will give you a really nice flavor. Then add the tuna can. I'm using in this case one, but it's up to you how many tuna you want to use. I highly recommend to you use it without the salt. And to have a texture very creamy, add some goat cheese very at the end. Don't add salt in this recipe because the cheese has salt already. Someone is smelling my recipe and I think that is looking really good and very healthy. This is a quick way to have a recipe, and to end, add a little bit of some basil leaf. This is so yummy, so good and very healthy, maybe for your dinner or for your lunch. Enjoy and be healthy.